James Carey with On the House, reporting live from the Pacific Coast Builders Conference 2010, having a look at the latest and greatest in building products and technology, here with Don Barnes and the Collins Companies. Don, welcome to the program.
Thank you, good to be here.
You're rolling out composite building materials, specifically siding and trim?
We have some products that are designed for the gable ends that are rounds and diamonds and octagon shapes that other people don't have.
So beyond the benefits, the features and benefits that composite materials provide to the consumer and to the builder, you're doing some things that make the building look pretty as well.
Well, that's exactly right. If you look at what people really want on their house, they want a house to look like wood. And if you take our product, compare it to the vinyl siding or to the cement sidings out there, nobody will say ours doesn't look like wood, and yet they will say that about the vinyl or the cement sidings.
Let's talk about your product compared to vinyl and composite or fiber cement building materials. What are the differences?
Well, obviously wood has a look that people want. If you look at the wood texture that we have, it's just beautiful. And we can engineer it to look like different things. We can look like lap and gap cedar. We can look like regular lap siding. We also can look like trim products that have the wood texture or the smooth texture even. So we can make it look a variety of ways.
Now, Don, are there different siding profiles?
Absolutely. We have 60+ profiles of products that people can look at, so you can get away from the cookie cutter look that most people are used to seeing, because most other products are just how wide is your lap siding.
Are they primarily plank? Are they sheet goods, or both?
We have both of them. Some of them are 4x8 panels or 4x9 panels, and some of them are lap sidings. The lap sidings go from 4 foot wide, depending on the profile, up to 16 foot wide.
And what can the builder or consumer look forward to in as much as a warranty is concerned with True Wood products?
Sure, we have the best warranty in the industry, and everybody says that, but our warranty is on the product. If you look at other people's warranty, it's on who owns the house. We put a date on the back of every one of our products that show when it was manufactured, and it's 30 years from the date of the manufacture. So it's better than anybody else's out there.
What about trim, Don?
The trim products we have are used to complement the siding products, but we also have designed some new profiles that we actually call designer trim that have channels and they have bevels in it, because people have been putting fancy trim on the inside of houses for years, and we're the first ones to put it on the outside of houses in a regular basis.
So if you were talking to a builder or a consumer, recapping things and summarizing, what would you say to them with regard to why they should use your product?
Well, we got a couple of reasons. First is looks. We look like wood because we are wood. Second, we have profiles that can get them away from, as I said earlier, the cookie cutter look. Third, most people only think about the material cost of the siding. We have ways that, one, we can save you on the material cost depending on what it is, but we can also save them on the labor side, because we make some of our lap sidings 16-inch wide, groove them to where they look like 8-inch or 4-inch or 5-inch boards, but with 16-foot long pieces, they go up 2.5 times faster than the cement or the vinyl sidings.
All right, let's talk about where the rubber meets the road and cost versus value. How does the product compare in price to other more traditional building materials?
We're very competitive. We're all in the same ballpark as far as price of the material. Where we will save somebody some money, if it's a builder or an architect with a budget, is on the application side.
Finally, Don, how can folks get more information on True Wood and the Collins Companies?
You can go to our website, which is www.collinswood.com. And see everything that we make there. And one other thing, with everything that the Collins Companies makes, all of our product can be FSC certified as well.
And that's the Forest Stewardship Council.
That's correct. That's the most stringent environmental certification you can get.
Don Barnes, thank you so much.
Thank you, Jim.
James Carey reporting live from the Pacific Coast Builders Conference for On the House.